Intros. Just stop thinking of them as an intro and stop labeling them as intro in the chapters on your video. Howdy, I don't got time for howdy on this video. It's time to get into the content. You see, what you can do is start right into the content and the movement of your video and then introduce yourself and provide credibility and let them know what they're gonna get in the video. I'm not saying don't introduce yourself or let them know what they're gonna get out of your video. Those things are good. What I am saying is avoid these kinds of things.
Hi everyone and welcome. Today I will be talking about all the books that I plan to read in August.
That's right, it's roasting time, folks. And not even the rain that's just started while I was recording is gonna stop me from roasting these videos. Apparently, 1,000 or so of you watching this really want to be roasted. I have no idea why you would want that. You gave me permission. Yes, all the videos I am micro-roasting here, I have full and complete permission to absolutely destroy. Okay.
Throughout my private pilot training and after I got my certificate, one of the most common questions I get asked is, how much did it all cost? And
how much did it cost you to make such a boring video? You look like you just woke up and accidentally decided to make a video and then accidentally edited it and then accidentally published that video.
Fortunately, the answer is actually really quite simple.
Too much? Too bad. The next stereotype that just has to end is this one. I'm doing it right now. It looks like this.
Do it before that. Do it after that. These exercises are methods of communicating to your nervous system that it is safe.
I don't think he's looking at me. I think his eyes are somewhere up here. He's looking somewhere up here. He's looking past the camera somewhere over there.
Have a harvest that you would not believe. Some of these plants are really going to be pushing out really quickly. Some of them already are, like those Tysol.
You see, it's subtle, but it is very noticeable. And the closer you are to the camera, the more noticeable it is. If I'm watching myself over here and I'm talking to the camera and I'm saying, hey everybody, how's it going? How are things going for you? You can tell I'm not looking at you. It's a skill, and it's a skill you should acquire to speak directly to the lens, because on YouTube, your audience want to feel like the barrier between you and them is very thin. And eye contact is one of the best ways to do so. So right now, to practice, I'm gonna challenge you to a staring contest. Are you ready? And go. But really, YouTube is about connection, and eye contact is a subtle way to show that connection. Next stereotype that needs to be removed from the face of the YouTube planet is what I call conglomerate call to actions, like this.
So thanks everybody. Tune in for the next one, and I want you to hit the like, subscribe, and do a comment.
You see, when you ask people to do multiple things all at once,
we'd love to hear your comments, so leave one down below. And remember to like and subscribe.
You almost always.
And if you'd like to see more videos from this channel, please consider subscribing and liking this video.
Leave the audience not doing.
Like, subscribe, share, do all of that, leave a comments.
Anything.
Like, comment, subscribe to the channel.
Remember to like and subscribe.
Just stick to one thing at a time most of the time. And also remember to boop the like button on this video if it's being entertaining or helpful to you. The next thing we want to avoid is having our music too loud in the videos. And it's not always easy to catch when the music is too loud, because when you're editing the video, if you're using headphones and you're not listening to it on your speakers, or your headphones are higher or lower quality, it can be really hard to tell if your music is too loud or not. So in most cases, I would err on the side of your music a little quieter than you think it should be. And you thought I was gonna let you off without roasting some music here. Oh no, we've always got time for a roast. You see, if I go to this video and I go to the very end of it, I got some music.
G-O-T-S-G-A-M-I-N-G, please subscribe. G-O-T.
That was actually kind of fire. And if you want to write me. So there you have it, everyone. I love that you all shared your videos with me and you were okay with me having a little fun and roasting them. Aha, caught you. You thought I was moving into the outro, didn't you? No, I was not. That brings me to the next thing. Stop doing outros. Just stop thinking of them as an outro. In fact, I want you to pay attention, go back and rewatch it if you need to how you felt as a viewer right when I started saying, so there you have it. Thanks everyone for sharing your videos. What happened? What happened is I shifted the energy into the outro of the video. You don't want to do that. So instead of thinking of them as outros, I would think of them as a compelling end to the video that leaves the audience satisfied, but also wanting more from your channel. If you've done it right, you've given the audience a satisfying experience throughout the entirety of the video. So the end of the video is simply a location to let them know where to go next. And no, I'm not done roasting here. Here are some more bad examples of video endings.
I really appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this type of video, tap one of those boxes on your screen and I'll see you over there in another one.
That was actually pretty good. I'll find another one. Don't you worry. I'll find a bad one for you.
You're probably thinking, where do I even start? Watch this video next if you are serious about changing your life. This channel isn't for everyone, but it is for you.
Okay. I will. So help me, I'm gonna find an outro to roast.